Bike lovers, can you guess these iconic motorcycles by their engines? Let's go! This Harley-Davidson engine is famously nicknamed the Milwaukee 8. 3, 2, 1. It's Harley-Davidson Touring Engine. Ducati is known for this type of engine configuration. 3, 2, 1. It's L-Twin. This Japanese brand introduced the cross-plane inline-4 engine. 3, 2, 1. Yamaha. BMW Motorrad is famous for this type of horizontally opposed engine. 3, 2, 1. It's the Boxer engine. This British brand's triple-engine design powers bikes like the Street Triple. 3, 2, 1. It's Triumph. The Desmo Sedici is an iconic racing engine from this Italian brand. 3, 2, 1. Ducati. Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more bike quizzes.